I've got a knife blank here. We're gonna be making a knife handle for this thing. I bought this off of Etsy. This is the wood we're using. Not sure what it is. It looks pretty cool though. This is the first time I've ever done this. Yeah, let's get started with this thing. We're gonna start gluing this together. We got the knife, both scales, and the pins. The epoxy we're using is some BSI 30-minute stuff. I don't know if this is what you're supposed to use, but this is all I got. So we're gonna mix some of this up and we're gonna glue it together. Second one, third one. There we go. Oh! That could have been bad. Put it on the wrong way. First timer, making rookie mistakes. There we go. That's on. No, 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 no. It's already setting up. Oh, it's setting up on my hand. Oh, I barely got that on before it set. Holy crap, that burnt my hand.
Ew, your hand's smoking. Your hand is smoking.
I know, I feel it. My hand's on fire. Need to clamp this now. We got it all clamped up just in time. We're gonna let this dry overnight, and sometime tomorrow we'll unclamp this and start working on it. Now that we've got the handle all squared off, we are gonna work on the shape. I'm planning on doing a Coke bottle shape handle. The top profile will kind of look like a Coke bottle. Yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. Let's start tracing out our template. There we go. Just finished up with the Coke bottle shaping on this knife. And now we're gonna start rounding this thing off, sanding it down, and make it more comfortable. Oh my god. That is the worst I've ever hit my funny bone. Oh! Dude, I can't even feel my pinky.
Good thing it's your funny bone, so I can laugh at this.
Oh my god. Okay, right? I'm going like this. Wait a sec. Let's test the process. Muy bien. Okay, so I'm standing, right? I lose it, go to catch it, and I hit my funny bone on the corner of this, right? Can't feel my pinky. Think I sanded my pinky off. But like, look at the. I don't know if it's focused, but going good. Feel it. Good. Damn. That's pretty comfortable. You wanna hold it?
It's a good knife.
That feels good.
Yeah. Wow.
All rounded off. And now we're on the home stretch. We're gonna start sanding this thing with higher and higher grits until it's nice and smooth. There's no way I just finished sanding that and then I dropped it on the corner. Let's go buff it. Just got done buffing the knife. It's looking pretty good. We're gonna take this tape off. I kind of regret not buying a better blade for this thing just because of how nice this handle turned out. But you know, in the future. There it is. First ever knife handle, I guess. Oh dude, that feels nice. We still have one more step though. We gotta put the boiled linseed oil and beeswax paste on it. This is really just to weatherproof it a little bit and protect the wood a little. Give this a little while to seep in, give it a sharpen, and the knife should be done. Next day, knife is all finished up, ready to go. I'm gonna ride over to North's house and sharpen this thing. 6 to 10. Okay. Okay, you ready? Paper test. Do you have a piece of paper? This. Here we go. Okay, okay. That's pretty good. That is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the making of this knife. I think it turned out pretty nice. It's really comfortable. And you'll probably see me use this throughout the channel in future videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next video. Bye.